In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check Facebook business page reach. To get started, make sure you are already logged in at facebook.com. From there, open your Facebook business page using the left navigation menu. This will take you to the page you want to review. Once you are on your Facebook business page, look again to the left side of the screen and click Meta Business Suite. This is where Facebook gives you access to your page performance tools and reporting features. After Meta Business Suite opens, click Insights. This section contains your page analytics and helps you understand how your content is performing over time. Inside Insights, go to the left navigation menu and click Results. The Results page shows key performance metrics in a simple card layout, making it easier to review the most important numbers for your page. If you manage more than one Facebook page, go to the top of the page and select the correct Facebook account. This makes sure the data you are looking at belongs to the right business page. Next, choose the date range you want to review by using the date selector in the upper right corner. You can set this to match the time period you want to analyze, whether that is the last few days, the last month, or a custom range. Now review the Views card. This card shows how many times your content or page has been viewed during the selected period. It gives you a broad idea of how much exposure your page is getting. Then look at the Viewers card. This shows the number of unique people who viewed your content or page. This is useful because it helps you separate total views from the number of actual individuals reached. For a more complete understanding of your page performance, also review the other metric cards on the same page. Look at content interactions to see engagement with your posts. Check link clicks to measure how often people click through your links. Review visits to understand how many people went directly to your page. Then look at follows to track audience growth over the selected time period. If you need a copy of any of this information, click Export on the metric card you want. This allows you to download the data for reporting, sharing, or further analysis. That is how you check Facebook business page reach and related performance metrics using Meta Business Suite. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.